Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, calling. So how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, calling. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First of all, please enter the Skype application on your computer. Here is an explanation of various shortcuts in Skype related to calls and related features. Tap Ctrl-Shift-K. Start a video call is used to start a video call with a contact, providing a more interactive communication experience. Tap Ctrl-E. Hang up allows users to end a call quickly without using the mouse. Tap Ctrl-Shift-P. Start an audio call allows users to easily start a voice call without having to open an additional menu. Tap Ctrl-M. Toggle mute allows users to mute or unmute the microphone during a call, helping to maintain privacy or avoid noise interference. Tap Ctrl-Shift-K-. Toggle camera is used to turn the camera on or off during a video call. Tap Ctrl-Shift-A. Add people to a call allows users to add new participants to an ongoing call, useful for collaboration or group discussions. Tap Ctrl-S. Take a snapshot allows users to take a screenshot during a video call, helping to document important moments or shared visual information. Tap Ctrl-D. Launch dial pad is used to open the call keypad, making it easier for users to navigate the voice menu or enter numbers during a call. By utilizing this shortcut, users can manage Skype calls more quickly and efficiently, increasing comfort and productivity during communication. So that's it. Tutorial how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, calling. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.